Well, whether you're at the mountain or at the coast, it is just gorgeous outside today.
Finally shaking ourselves free of that widespread fog layer, the kind of chilly winter-like temperatures yesterday. But hey, that sunshine giving a lot of us spring fever this afternoon. And no surprise, especially along the coastline, you might think, well, the Oregon coast should be wet, rainy, and cold during the winter months. Not the case. Out towards the Cannon Beach area and overlooking Manzanita from earlier today, our very own Steve Pierce sending in these incredible shots of the cloud-free skies that still remain over much of western Oregon and much of southwest Washington this evening. Temperatures settling their way back into the mid to upper 50s. That sunshine definitely in abundance with the exception of parts of the Columbia River Gorge. But once again, on the west side of that's where the winds are really starting to pick up. Relatively calm for the I-5 corridor, but as we zoom into the Portland-Vancouver location, that's where you can see some of those gusty winds out towards Troutdale, Gresham, expecting to see those 40-mile-per-hour winds. A possibility that comes as the National Weather Service, just a very small portion of Multnomah County under a wind advisory. Wind speeds anywhere from 45 to 55 miles per hour, possible as early as tonight at 9 o'clock, taking us all the way through Saturday afternoon. Again, this is just out towards the mouth of the Columbia River Gorge, where the strongest winds will then start to dissipate as they fan out over the northern Willamette Valley. But still, even in Portland, wind speeds tonight into tomorrow could near about 35 to almost 40 miles per hour. As an air stagnation advisory on the flip side, where we're not seeing the winds as strong through the central southern Willamette Valley, is expected to take us through early tomorrow morning before the wind really starts to come up and over the Cascades, clearing and improving our air quality, which we have already seen today. You can see, though, out towards the Eugene-Springfield area, still holding on to about that moderate air quality right now as the sun is shining widespread across our area, really making for a great Thursday evening as our temperatures still hold steady into the mid-50s. But the fog layer slowly drifting its way out of much of the Willamette Valley as those clear skies are going to be taking us through the rest of this evening. Tonight, temperatures cooling back into the 40s, all part of this ridge of high pressure. The culprit for the sunny weather we're experiencing today, the almost early onset of spring as well, and preventing any new weather systems from marching their way back into our area. That's going to be taking us into the start of this upcoming weekend as our temperatures are riding above the average of 47, only cooling back to the upper 40s by the middle of next week. And that is our single chance of maybe seeing a light sprinkle here and there, as our ski report shows us yet again shrinking by about an inch every single day, with the number of snow-free days continuing to add up and those above average temperatures still staying with us. At least we still have several feet of snow beneath our feet and beneath our snowboards and skis to keep that season going. As far as the rain deficit goes here in the Rose City, back to about 1/4 of an inch. We start the month off with a good amount of rain, but now the number of rain-free days is quickly starting to add up. So there you go, the easterly winds, also known as downsloping winds, and this time we're not cold out towards the east. So this is actually going to help to warm us back up, keeping us above the average into the 50s for us as we move our way through about the next 48 hours. So tonight, yes, it is breezy out there with those wind speeds nearing about 40 miles per hour as we see those temperatures fall back into the low 40s. Tomorrow, highs back into the mid-50s for the valley, low 60s for the coastline, and seasonal temperatures out towards the east. Our 7-day forecast painting a very dry picture for us just in time for our long holiday weekend, MLK Day on Monday. Get out and volunteer in your community. You'll be able to do so under sunny skies and comfortable temperatures, maybe just a light jacket with 54 our expected high, and then the clouds roll in Wednesday and Thursday, and it's still about a week or so out, but we could pick up on a light sprinkle here and there. It would be a welcome sight at this point in time as that rain deficit begins to grow, and really not looking to be a big snowmaker for the mountains either.
Well, I love the forecast. I don't know what it feels like to win the lottery, but this has to be close.
Yeah, a close second indeed.
Thank you, Josh.